Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming a few essentials and then act. Make sure your device is charged and you know the lock PIN or pattern. Once done, open Settings and go straight to About Phone or About Device. Some manufacturers hide it under System. You do not need root, but you should back up important files in case you change system behaviors. Now find Build Number or Software Info. That is where the enabling action begins. You tap Build Number 7 times quickly. When prompted, enter your PIN or pattern. Once Android confirms you're a developer, go back to Settings and look for System, then Developer Options. OEM skins may place it differently, so you search if needed. Toggle Developer Options on at the top. Next, enable specific features you need, like USB debugging for ADB, or change animation scales to speed up the UI. You finish by adjusting the exact switches for your goal. Lower animation scales to speed interactions, set background process limits for testing, or enable stay awake while charging. If USB debugging won't connect, revoke USB debugging authorizations and reconnect. Confirm the PC prompt and accept the RSA key. If a change causes instability, toggle Developer Options off then on, or use Reset to Default at the top. If developer options disappear, update Android or search settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.